Alright guys, so a real quick video. I'm sorry this isn't the greatest, but this is a Benelli Super Vinci bolt assembly. If you've had one of these little red things, you've had them break. I just replaced the one on this. I want to explain real quick how to take this apart. I'm not going to do it in this video, but I'm going to show you how. So basically you pull this little pin out and that will release the firing pin. You can pull the firing pin out. Once that's out, you can pull this out. And then once you pull that out, your bolt and the spring inside here will come out. Once you got that part done, you basically can grab the red piece, and then there's a flat piece underneath it, and you pull it all the way down as close as you can down to the bottom, and that's going to allow you to swing this piece off and pull this rod out, and then this whole assembly will come off. You'll be able to replace that little red piece. If you guys want, I can make a video at a later time showing you exactly how to take everything apart if that's what you need. But I think it's pretty self-explanatory of disassembling this. You just grab that red piece and the piece underneath it, push it as far down as you can, and then pull this rod away from this locking ring. No big deal. Thanks for watching.